back to my channel. My name is lisaphan and today we are starting my back to school series. I know it's a little bit early, but a lot of you guys are my age and are starting college soon, so I thought I'd do a college back to school supplies haul. Anyway, I just thought I'd make this video early so that I could kickstart a lot of back to school videos. I have so much planned for you guys and I'm very excited. None of this is actually for myself. I bought all of this for you guys, so stay tuned till the end to know how you enter this giveaway and win all of these amazing goodies for back to school. So without further ado, I'm just gonna do the OG back to school supplies haul. First off, we have an agenda, and of course you guys know that I love getting them from like TJ Maxx or Marshalls or whatever. I picked this up for you guys from TJ Maxx and I think it's an adorable pink pastel color. It's all pretty divided in the inside. It's lined so you guys don't have to worry about not writing straight and everything like that. So I thought it was a good size agenda. If you need a bigger one, of course, I mean, go get them. But I think this is like a very neutral in the middle size for anyone that just needs to jot down assignments or due dates or whatever. And I also got you guys a cute little pencil case. I don't know if it's cool or not to have a pencil case in college, but I know I will be because I'm a pen fanatic. I just thought I'd get some cute small stuff that I think a college student would need, or just some small essentials that you guys might need if you're not even in college or just high school. I think these are all quite universal, so don't hate me and don't laugh at me if I'm getting stuff that it's wrong. I haven't even been inside of college yet. I'm going in as a freshman right now, so anyway, this is just a little pouch from 𝐋𝐄𝐒 that I found at TJ Maxx, and it actually came with some really cute wooden pencils, a ruler, an eraser, and a sharpener. So I thought this would be really cute with my little blush pink theme that I did for you guys this year. I'm quite girly, so I apologize if this is not your cup of tea. Give it to a friend, I don't know. Then I also bought some really cute writing utensils from TJ Maxx. We have a pen set that says write, create, and edit. I thought this was super cute, little basic pens, and I also got another little pen set that says en route, bon voyage, and wanderlust. I just thought it was really cute, like the little pastel theme I have going on. So I also got a ton of writing utensils for you guys from Target. I found some really cool stuff this year. They really upped it with their stationery game. Like if you compare all this type of stuff to like Walmart or whatever, they don't have a very large selection, so I was really surprised to find like the new mild liner brush pen and marker. I thought this was super cool. I gave away the big set of just the highlighters last year, but I couldn't find it again, but I did grab this from Target. It's so cool. I bought myself a set as well. It's just like the normal mild liners that we all know and love, but it is the brush pen version, which I think came out a couple months ago if I'm not mistaken. I also got you guys some erasable fine liners. These are my favorites from Pilot. These are the Pilot Frixion ones. These are really pretty. I love these. They're perfect for note taking, perfect for just like noting on articles or whatever you want to do, or just like doodling. I'm not sure what you guys are up to in college or what you guys like to do in high school, but I've always been the type to buy a shit ton of pens and like go ham on my notes or whatever, or just doodle for fun. So I just thought I'd get you guys some essentials. I love these so much. I also got you guys some other highlighters, so in case you don't like brush tip highlighters, I also got normal ones. These are the Frixion erasable like pastel colored highlighters, which I thought was super cute. I might go back to get myself this set as well. I also got you guys a variety of pens. I thought these were like the best kind. Of course, I got the OG Papermate Flair pens in black just for normal note taking. I also got some mechanical pencils from Zebra, which is one of my favorite stationery lines or brands. This is 0.7. I also got some lead for that for you guys, so got some 0.7 lead and a 0.7 pencil for you, and it also comes with a little eraser right there. And then I also got these erasable black pens from Pilot Frixion. I love these. I have this like Hello Kitty version, which I love so much, so I thought you guys should try them out as well. I really like the ink on this. It's kind of light and it writes super smooth, so this is perfect and essential for any assignments or notes. Once again, these will all be very handy when I show you guys how to write notes. Also got some cute like itty bitty stuff. I got this little stapler in a light pink color, which is perfect to go with the theme. Oh my gosh, I'm really living for my aesthetic this year for the school supplies. So again, I apologize if you're not into that. I also got some office accessories. So I have here little binder clips, paper clips, and push pins. These are really pretty. They're all pastel colors as well. I also got the cutest little notebooks. I'm not sure how big a notebook should be in college. A lot of people take notes on their computer nowadays, so I just thought I'd get some smaller notebooks for you guys to jot down some notes or whatever, or use to your leisure. But these are really, really pretty. These are the notebook collection West Emery notebooks I found at Target. These are so, so pretty. This one has like a gold plated little bee on the top. I don't know, that's just really, really pretty. And the pages themselves are very light. Like they have like open areas on the top and then like writing at the bottom, so like you can do like diagrams in here, or just put like you can even make this like a little memory journal where you can put like Polaroids right here and write a little note about what happened in the Polaroid. I don't know if you're sentimental like that, but I thought it was a super, super cute notebook. And I also found this little strawberry one, which I thought was adorable. I will probably go back and buy this one for myself, but it's so cute. It just has like little strawberries everywhere, and it's like gold plated as well, and the pages are the exact same. So I thought this was super, super cute to add in the whole back to school thing. Yeah, I need to go back to buy these. They're so pretty. Man, whoever's gonna get these, I'm probably gonna twin a few very, very soon. So next up, I got little tech items. Here I have a power bank. I have this same exact one. I love this one from like the Heyday brand at Target. I also got you guys a little cord or whatever to go with it if you need that for portable charging in college or whatever. I mean, everyone needs a portable charger, but that's super, super cute. I also got this little extra item. This is a Selfie Light. I'm extra as hell, so I thought I'd make whoever wins this extra as hell. This is like a cute little ring light that you can attach to your phone when you take selfies or whatever, or if you just need some lighting for foodie pics or whatever you're doing. This is kind of cute. I have a Selfie Light myself and I use it sometimes, so thought I'd get this. It was just random. I don't really know why. I thought this was a good idea. I also have here a little sand and sky little wallet thing that I got from them a while back. I just don't use little phone pocket things, so I thought this would be really, really helpful for you guys out there. This just comes with a little pocket thing and a little mirror if you need to stick this in your purse or something, or find some adhesive and put it on your phone. I also got you guys, of course, some string lights for your dorm or whatever you want to decorate, maybe your locker. I have no idea who's winning, so whoever's getting this could use it for anything. I love these little wire string lights. I use these all the time. These are warm lights, so they're more yellowy or whatever, but yeah, they're kind of cute. I can show you what it looks like. I also got you guys a really cute little Instax Mini 9. I also am going to give you guys some film as well to go with this, but I love this. It makes really cute little memory things, so I feel like in college you might want to take a few or whatever. So I got you guys the pink one because I just love pink for some reason. I was really into it today, so here it is. Got you guys a little Instax Mini 9. I feel like everyone has this, but you can never have enough, you know? I'm kind of wanting a new one myself. So I also got this letterboard thing from Target. I think it's gonna be super cute for decor, so if you wanted to like jot down something important or your favorite quote and put it on your desk, from some dorm decor or just your desk decor if you're not going to college. And of course I had to get you guys some reusable cups. These are just like a set of 3 reusable cups and straws from Target. This is perfect for if you're gonna get a drink from Starbucks. This is about the same size as a venti, or is the same size as a venti from Starbucks. You can use this to fill up water or whatever you need to do on campus or just at home, of course. So got you a set of these. I want you guys to have some things to, you know, reduce waste. So here it is, a cute little tumbler set. And then I got you guys a little basket of other essentials, not so much school supplies, but this itself, this little pink basket, is a shower caddy. When I visited my friend Joyce at Northeastern, I didn't need that much in the shower. I mean, a lot of people have those really large caddies or whatever, but I think for me, this would be just enough just to carry with me like the few things that I need. I have a couple things inside the basket as well to give away. These are just command strips or command hooks that you might want to use in your college dorm or in your bedroom. I also got you guys a cute little mini umbrella in case you're in a rainier climate, and this one is super small and tiny, so that you can stick this anywhere really, like in your bag. I also got a little lint roller for you guys because I'm always in need of one, so I thought this would be quite helpful to throw in your bag as well. I also got you guys some cute little band-aids, the little Pokemon band-aids, just in case you get a little paper cut or something. I don't know, I'm just worried about you guys. Really cute. Thought I'd be a mom for a second and get you guys some cute little band-aids, you know? Then I got a few hair accessories. I'm not inferring that the person who's getting this has a ton of hair they need to pin back, but I always need little hair ties and hair clips. So I also got you guys some hair ties because these are essential. Even if you don't need to tie your hair up, someone's gonna ask you, and just being prepared is nice. Make a friend. They're gonna ask you for a hair tie, you can give it to them, you guys are gonna end up chatting, you guys are gonna have the same major, and then all of a sudden you're lifelong friends and you guys are gonna name your kids the same name. So yeah, that's about it. And of course the caddy here, it just has the basket. It has a little box right here, so I think in the picture it shows like soaps and stuff that you can put in there, and then this little container here you can put like your toothbrush and toothpaste in if you want to do that. But I think from the picture this looks like it'll fit pretty much everything I would need in the shower. I don't need too many items, so yeah, I think it's super cute, and the light pink color is adorable. They also had white and black if you wanted to get one for yourself. So yeah, and lastly for the giveaway, I wanted to do some beauty products. So I have here a little bag of some beauty products that are brand new. I got a lot of this in PR and I don't need it, so I thought I'd give it back to you guys. Just to say thank you. I have a little wrap thing for masks if you're doing that at night when you're studying. I have some eyeshadows, lip glosses, lipstick. I also got you guys a little clean brush thing for your face, just like a little cute face brush. I'm also stocking you guys up on some face masks. I also have here a little set of face products and lip products from 𝐋𝐄𝐄, and then these two masks from Sephora collection. These are their Smoothie Masks. This is in oat and then acai, so I thought these would really be kind of cool to try out and bond with your roommate maybe, and just try out some new beauty products right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. So that is all for the back to school supplies haul. I know that I went by kind of quick and I talked really fast. I'm so sorry. I had like coffee this morning. I'm very hyper. But yeah, these are all the products. I'll probably even add in a couple more products just for the winner. So yeah, I'll be writing a handwritten note to whoever wins all these items, and all you guys have to do is be subscribed to this channel, lisaphan, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter at @LisaXFan, and so that I know that you guys are following me on Instagram and Twitter, or Twitter, depending on which ones you guys have. Some people don't have one or the other. I know that. So anyway, comment down below your handles on Instagram and or Twitter so that I know and see that you guys are following me, and also comment what you're excited about for the upcoming school year, or what your plans are, if not school, what you would need these supplies for. So yeah, this is open internationally, super easy, like this video for me. I'll put all the official rules down in the description so you guys know how to officially enter, and I'll be choosing a winner in about 2 weeks or 1.5 weeks or something like that. I'll leave all the official info down below once again, and I'll probably announce on Instagram, so yeah, just give me your handle so I'll be able to DM you or whatever. And yeah, that is it for the back to school supplies haul and giveaway. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am so excited for the back to school season. I'm super excited for college, so I'm not really dreading school. I'm sorry if you're dreading school, but I'm gonna try to make this quite exciting here on my channel. So stay tuned. Let me know what you guys want to see down below as well. If you don't want to answer, just like tell me what you want to see next or whatever. So yeah, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed a quick little haul, got some ideas so that if you don't win at the giveaway, you have an idea of where to get some really cute school supplies, and get an idea for an aesthetic and what my favorite utensils are for writing. So yeah, that is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye beauties!